Good afternoon, folks. Ricky Tang here. You can see in front of me my Abba stand, Superbike stand. I've also got the kind of front wheel lifting bar here somewhere down the side, I think. Anyway, when I bought this stand, one of the things I was hoping to be able to do was not just use it on my S1000R, where it does work and works quite nicely, but I was hoping to find a fitting kit or find a way of mounting a fitting kit to the Bros as well, so I can get the Bros in the air. Now, the Bros did come with a centre stand. The centre stand is actually here in this little mess on the wall. But I've taken it off mainly for ground clearance and take a little weight, remove a little weight off the bike. And although I can put it back on temporarily, and I have put it back on temporarily in the past, especially when it came to fitting the exhaust, I don't want to have to keep doing that. I really would like to find a way of getting the bike in the air with the Abba stand, especially since I discovered that my bike is actually leaking. Discovered that a few weeks ago. Still see a bit of a coolant. I think that's coolant, or because this has been sitting underneath the front of the bike, and I haven't investigated it yet because I couldn't be bothered to get the bike in the air. I couldn't be bothered to put the stand back on. So I contacted Abba and I asked him if there's a way of finding or working out a fitting kit for this bike, and they come back and said no, basically they can't. And the main issue, the main reason they can't do it is because on this side of the bike there is a potential mounting point. There is a kind of a bolt with a Allen head, but it's only 6mm. And they said if they created a pin for that as part of the Abba stand fitting kit, it wouldn't be strong enough to support the weight of the bike. So I accepted that and I left it. Bit disappointed, but there was obviously nothing that we could do. Now, a few weeks later, I thought, well, is there a way? Has anyone managed to do this at all? So I searched on the internet, and on the Hawk forum, the Bros/Hawk forum, because this bike has gone by a couple of different names over the years in different markets, someone has come up with a way of getting the bike in the air with one of these stands. And it's using a bit of equipment that Abba themselves sell, but I didn't know about. And it wasn't offered as an option when I was inquiring as to whether the stand will work with my bike. So there is a bit of equipment that Abba sell called the Superbike Stand Skylift Swingarm Removal Kit. So the idea behind this is it's a universal kit, which I don't know how to open up, and it doesn't fit into the usual place, i.e. the swing arm pivots, and that allows you potentially to remove the swing arm entirely, because normally it would go into here, the mounting point. In fact, one of these, there it is, that goes into that bit on that side to help lift the bike. But if someone's really wanting to strip their bike down, they'd like to remove the swing arm, and they can't while it's using that mounting point. So the idea behind this is that you remove one of the bolts from the footrest hanger, one of these two, closest to the swing arm mounting point. They look pretty equidistant to me. Anyway, you remove one of these and you fit this in instead, which will stick out, and that will go into there. So they will go into the footrest mounting bolts, and that should allow me to lift the bike, hopefully. Well, we'll soon be finding out. I'm about to bang this stuff on, providing it all fits. Like I said, this stuff is universal. We're hoping that the thread on these bolts are the same as the thread on the footrest mounting bolts. I think I'll play it safe and use the higher mounting point so the bike won't lift so high. That's what we're going to do. Good. Let's go down. Oh, that was easy enough. Now this nut is in case you had to put this through the swing arm or through a mounting point of the bike and there was no thread. So you put it through a hole, some sort of mounting point, and you put a nut in at the other end. Oh, I do need that one now. Great. So we'll see how this works. Moment of truth. Is the thread right? Ooh, hold on. That didn't feel very very nice at all, actually, but maybe we've shifted. Oh, we have shifted. Oh, that's don't think we're quite in the right place anymore, which is a bit of a bummer. Okay, I think it's in, but I have to, I have to keep lifting the hanger up while I tighten the bolt. Let's get my gloves on. It doesn't hurt quite so much. Ow, it still hurts. Okay, well, cool. That is all the way in. Done. Don't have to be particularly tight, just has to be in there. You know what you're thinking, you know what I'm thinking. I could probably end up staying there. Anyway, right, other side. I think that sounds outside. Sweet. It's coming out nice and easy. Damn, there's a washer back there. I hope that's more of a spacer than a washer, otherwise I'm about to lose it immediately. Oh, I put that washer in. I think I remember. It's gonna go, isn't it? Oh no, it's not gone yet. I wish I kept the other adapter in close and handy in a pocket or something. That would have been nice and intelligent, but I didn't. Okay, I think we're in. Nice and easy. Can I? Don't think I can quite swing that with the other end. Right, it hitting the. Oh yeah, we can. Way sweet. Not doing this outside because it's raining and rubbish. So all happening in the shed. Okay, now. And the shed's a bit tight, so I hope this is going to work and not become a tragedy. Now, the idea is, oh, this is all really tight, this is. Let's get you under there. Right. Right, so you're on one side. I need to get the hold of the other side, so I'll put you back on the side stand for now. This is not as per the official instructions, I know, but we'll suss it out in a minute. Lovely. Right, let's get the bike upright. Check for a fit. I think we're good. Tighten you down. Give that a bit of a push. Fortunately, I have to get to the other side of the bike now, really. That'd be nice. Let's try if I squeeze around the back. So, the moment of truth. One last look. You're nicely in all the way. You're nicely in all the way. Let's get this puppy in the air, he says. We're done. We are done. One Bros in the air. So how cool is that? I'm well chuffed. So, swing arm removal kit from Abba. Recommended. The thread size, bolt size at 8mm, which, since it's a universal kit, 8mm apparently is quite commonly used, at least throughout Japanese bikes, for footrest mounting bolts. Okay, let's get the bike down. Let's see how that works. So it's a bit hard to see, not great lighting. So as I come down, I'll get the side stand out as well. And it's nice and controllable, more or less. There you go. It's done. Nearly dropped it against my expensive bike, but I didn't. So yeah, there you go. It's levering up and down all by itself. I'll bring it up, lean the bike over on the side stand. Job done. Now I'm trapped. Woo! So yeah, that is the Abba stand attached to the Bros. I'm relieved. I'm glad that I managed to get the Abba stand working on that. Spot on. I loves it. And although you can't see it very well, if I go for a quick ride or longer ride, they're not really getting in the way. They're kind of touching my trainer a little bit, but they're fairly unobtrusive. They're not supposed to be there all the time, and they won't be. But while the bike's in the shed, not going anywhere, they're staying. So mission complete. Thanks for hanging out with me, and yeah, I'll see you again very soon.